Welcome back to the AJ Speed Shop YouTube channel. Did not get to shoot an intro this morning before we headed out. We were running a little behind, so we had to run out of the hotel and catch up with the group early. Had a really great route today. The driving route up to the track to Thunder Valley was awesome. The venue was a little more relaxed, I guess you'd say. You could definitely tell they were winding down on the fifth day. A lot of the vendors weren't there. It was still really crowded, but we didn't end up staying that long. We got our long hauler award and we had a quick lap. I shot a little bit of footage, as you've already seen at this point, but that was really about it. We kind of folded up early. We drove about an hour and a half to Pigeon Forge, which is where we are staying now. And we were actually on a horse farm. And this is some kind of horse training facility or something, but it's an Airbnb built into it. It's really nice, but it's a real pretty crazy drive up into the hills here in Pigeon Forge. But so far so good. We're gonna relax here tonight, and tomorrow we're heading down to Deals Gap, North Carolina, and we're going to hit the Tail of the Dragon this weekend. We got a couple of days. We're staying in a cabin right off the Tail of the Dragon, so I'll be bringing you some Tail of the Dragon footage. We're going to get all the luggage and all the packages, everything out of the Z06, get the weight down on it, and get out there and try to tear it up pretty good for the next couple days on the Tail of the Dragon. So it should be a good time. I'll be bringing you those videos probably early next week. Just wanted to get this power tour stuff up while everything was fresh and everybody's excited about the power tour. It was a great trip all in all. The weather was phenomenal. It wasn't really hot, didn't catch a lot of rain. It was just an absolute dream trip for Hot Rod Power Tour 23. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. It's a lot of work filming all this stuff and trying to edit videos and put everything up every night. Gotten some good feedback, got a lot of comments. So hopefully everybody's enjoyed everything that I've done so far. And got plenty of stuff in the pipeline that I want to do to bring more content with some of the other cars. So stay tuned, keep watching, continue to leave me some messages and feedback. I appreciate every comment that I get, good or bad. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll get back with you soon.